How's it going, everybody? We are just leaving the Regale Winery, going down Morrill Road, actually though to hit Wright Station Road. So this would be Wright Station Road. Yeah, they've got that place locked up so tight, looks like a prison. But when I had gone down it, I somehow did not realize that one of the old railroad tunnels is down here. So we're gonna go see if we can find it. Henry clued me in on that location. I knew there were a few tunnels around here, and I was eventually planning on figuring out where they were, but somehow I had missed that one. So here we go. We'll see if we can find it. Wright Station Winery. Named after the Wright Station Railroad Station back in the day. Actually, it looks like we missed it. That exit back there. Wright Station Road. I had been down this road once before trying to find Eisman Lake. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's the reservoir for San Jose, and they've got that place locked down like some sort of prison. So I was not able to see the actual reservoir. That's actually how I ended up at in the Loma Prieta area. Found the dirt roads around that, but somehow I did not realize until Henry mentioned to me that one of the old rail tunnels is down at the end of this road. And I had just not gone far enough. So we're gonna go see if we can find it. So you can see it just rained the other day, and out here in the mountains, when you're covered by trees, it takes a while for these roads to dry out. So it can be quite interesting. So here's one of the entrances to the lake or the reservoir. As you can see, it's got barbed wire, chain link fence. Guess they don't want anybody going in there to urinate in your drinking water or something. Don't know, but we'll continue on and see if we can find this old tunnel. Got the girlfriend on the back. Just left Regale Winery. That was pretty cool. Very nice building. Decent little, pretty good deal. Actually, we got, it's like $15 per person for a wine tasting. You get five glasses of wine to taste. Tasting wine's obviously not a full glass, but it's $15 per person. But if you buy a bottle of wine, that is waived. We did not realize until after we bought a bottle of wine, and we were like, hey, did you charge us for the tasting? And they said, oh, don't worry about it, it's waived if you buy a bottle of wine. So damn, what a deal. So if you're gonna go down there, get the cheapest bottle of wine and get your tasting waived. That's what we did. A little bridge. I did go a little bit further down here. Actually, I went a little ways up the a little ways up one of these roads here where there's a residence. I think up that way. Says it's closed. There's not a whole lot to see up that way, but I would keep going further. Huh? Private property. Well, it looks like we passed it already. I don't know if there's a way to get to it. Let's find out. They've got this place locked down pretty tight around here. Pretty interesting. So right here is an entrance to something. I'm sure it's owned by the water company. There may be possibly that way. It looks like there's a trail that way. Let's go see what we can find. Well, hey, turns out last time I was here I did go far enough. I just rode by it. So last time I was here I rode down that way in search of another entrance to the reservoir, but shortly, not long that direction, you just run into another pretty hefty gate. But right across here, turns out right up that way is the tunnel. It's just barely off the beaten path. So anyways, for more like this, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.